Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make scrolling credits on your video at the end. So to do this, all you have to do is go ahead to the end of your video, and now you want to add text. So you're going to click text and you're going to click default and basically click a plus sign. After that you will see you have a default text right here. Now you want to go ahead and basically edit it. So you want to write down something like credits, and you want to write down, for example, director, something like that. For example, something like that. Now you want to, of course, make it a little bit slimmer. And now here it is. Of course, you can edit it as how you like it, but basically you can change the font size right here. So maybe you want to leave it smaller. Now the coloring and so on, you can actually change everything here. But now what you want to do is go ahead right here. You want to scroll down until you see position and size or position. And then you're gonna basically drag down your credits at the bottom where you want them to start. Now you're gonna click position and add keyframe like that. And now you want to go ahead to the end of the video and you want to get it up right there. And again, it will add a keyframe automatically. So now when you do this, as you can see, they are scrolling credits right here and they are moving. So you can edit them however you like. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.